Hello friends, I am Amine. Today I go on a trip. Yay! Look, a big plane. Let's fly. Zoom. We are going to Algiers. Welcome to Algiers, the capital city. I am in a car. Beep beep. Mr. Driver, let's go to Maqam Echahid. Go.
Straight.
Yes, straight. Oh, red light. Stop. Look at that. Is it a bus? No. It is a tramway. Long tramway. And let's turn left. Turn left. The tramway goes ding ding. Now we are in Oran. Hello, Oran. Look at the sea. It is blue and beautiful. Let's walk up to Santa Cruz. Turn right. Turn right. We are high up. Wow. Quiz time. Where is the plane? Yes! The plane flies. Where is turn left? Good job. I love Algiers and Oran. See you next time. Salam.